looking for the right place again. It's water a lot. Give it more water to tomorrow.
You see Max has decided to munch on the other pup. Marley's in there.
They're peeing as they're coming out.
They don't want to sleep in their pee, do they?
Hey! Fucking... I swear.
And over there as well, hand on the pillow.
Lord, there are puppies peeing everywhere.
Max keeps attacking the others, as you can see. And he's being pinned.
We're gonna pee more. Yeah? We're gonna pee more. Well, look, you all awake. Cheeky rascals. You don't like that, husky? They're always doing all the same thing. Lots of fights going on.
There is loads of fights going on.
No. Look you are. Are you all out now, man?
Mm.
Yeah, that is time to sleep, not walking around. Please to sleep. They don't stop. Poor baby. Poor Sky. What vicious babies.
Marley just pushed the yellow collar one right over. Marley's aggressive. Look at him. Look at these two having a face off. Look. They're all fighting.
They're getting
Sky, sort your babies out. Ah. Oh.
They are getting teeth, so they're getting a bit grumpy now.
Sky sniffed her own baby and it growled at her. Oh, hi Sky. Marley, mate. What are you doing? Look at him. Look at him biting Max's ear. Look. Look at him, little bugger.
Look him, look at my legs.
Yeah, I know, I see.
Ah, he's crying. Nasty mummy doesn't want to hit you. She can help you, mate.
Mm.
Hunter's getting very soft. Look, he's sitting now. Look at him. You tell your mummy. You tell her.
Babe, look where Marley's gone.
Who was going there?
He's gone behind
Prisoner.
the cage.
Prisoner. You're learning from young age, yeah? Gosh, look what's going on, Sky. Are we under attack? Are we under attack? Max and Mary are having fight again. Hunter! Leave my Max alone, you cheeky rascal. That's a good boy.
Listen to their jaws going.
You're a good boy, you're not, but he's got to shush you up.
Look at Marley walking. Look at him. He's walking proper now.
Yeah, it's good walking.
Yeah.
Bloody puppy.
Oh, hello. What are you doing here?
More paper now because we run out.